Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. And today I'll be going over why I took no trades. So there's no P&L to show you because I didn't take anything, and also no execution points. So I'm just gonna get right into the charts and explain everything for you guys. So we always start out on the 4-hour time frame. Actually, no, daily time frame. And I don't know, usually it doesn't tell me much. Today I just saw that, we're pretty overextended on the daily. We probably need to pull back, but it's too high of a time frame to really tell me much for when I trade specifically, which is like the morning of New York AM session. So then on the 4-hour time frame here, again, let's go back to, I can't even go back. All right, it's fine. But basically, just forget about this really big black candle. Let's go back to when it opened, right? This is the market open. This is the 9:30 a.m. line. So price was down here basically. It was all the way up here on ES, and on NQ it was here, right? So what I saw is that we have this huge 4-hour unfilled fair value gap and this 4-hour order block, this one right here, and then same thing with this and the order block right here, right? But again, too high time frame, so I zoomed out. And also when I see such a big fair value gap, I know that there's smaller low time frame fair value gaps inside of that, so that's what I did. So on the 1-hour time frame, we have this 1-hour fair value gap, this 1-hour order block, this 1-hour fair value gap, and this 1-hour fair value gap. And it's the same thing for NQ here. So basically, my bias was going to be, and then let me just, wait, hold on, can I, okay, whatever. All right, basically, and then, yeah, whatever. All right, and then also we have, based on the session liquidity stuff, I think, yeah, this was London high. I don't know, pretty much both of it. Look, let me show you it, guys. Yeah, whatever. All right, let's actually fine. I'll show you right here. All right, when does it start here? Yeah, 18, I think. I don't even know. 18, 3, and then 3, 8. I bet. So this was London session, right? This was London session. This was Asian session. So, and it was very similar thing for both. So basically, Asian session pretty much consolidated. London session swept out both the high and the low of Asian session. So now we had both London high and London low resting. Okay. And then we also had all-time highs resting. This is on NQ. NQ is also much lower down because at market open, ES took out London low, London high, which was this, took it out, while NQ is all the way down here. So we had a really big both. Yeah. So we had a very big bearish SMT on market open, and it had taken out this. Now, I was so again, pretty much why I didn't take it is why I didn't take anything. The overall of it is just choppy price action, because what is this? Actually, what is this? Sideways, and then I just didn't have a clear bias. It was very hard to have a clear bias because of where we were positioned. On the higher time frames, we have just been chopping on the higher time frames on ES. And then because I see ways how price could go up to take out these all-time highs, because all-time highs are a really strong point of liquidity, which we almost did. And then I also see why price could go lower to fill these. But I don't have any good targets to either side, you know what I'm saying? Because to the upside, it's only all-time highs, so this is down these lows. The second reason was that NQ was just so much more bearish. So on NQ especially, right? When we're here, when we're here, right? It's like this is just a down move. There's no liquidity points here to take out. The only thing you could have caught, when the market opens and it just dumps this much, right? It just dumps this much. The only thing you could have tried catching here is the retrace move, right? It would have been a retrace into a high. But as you guys can see, we barely got any retrace, and we were chopping so much. The second thing you could try catching today was the short move, the initial move down. I mean, you could have done that, but obviously, how am I supposed to know that price is going to flood at market open? Because there's like nothing, there's no confluence, there's no internal market structure, no price action, none of that. So it just opens and then goes in one direction. And then the other thing was that they were so uncorrelated, because at this point here, 10:04, right? NQ at 10:04 was all the way down here. So NQ had taken out this, and then ES was all the way up here. So you guys just see how big of a both bearish and bullish SFT divergence there was. So like, I know I skipped over the like high time frame analysis, all that stuff, but like honestly, you don't even need that. Like, just look at like this charts here. Let's look at them, right? I could definitely see longs, like just longing here, tall time highs, 1-to-1. It's just not. It's like, I don't know what to say. Like, just not. It wasn't good. It wasn't. I wasn't feeling it. And as you guys can see, these are not good market conditions, and there's no point to get mad over them. We don't trade these days. We just secure profits. And then NQ, I guess I guess what you could have caught here was we wait for this pullback into this, and then we get the down move. Here we get like a break of structure, like okay, hold on. We get the 79 percentile extension closure right here. You short, your stops are at equal highs though. That's not cool. And then your first take profit is at, yeah, no, that wouldn't be good at all. So yeah, overall just very choppy conditions. And then I really don't know what to even say. Like, it's really like, I don't know. If you guys caught a trade, good job, but I cannot find anything. There's nothing that my model, could play out today. And yeah, I just wanted to come on here, let you guys know all that stuff. I'm sorry this wasn't like very entertaining and stuff, but I really don't know what to say. And then from there, I guess, okay, we had, yeah. The only trade that I was really actively looking for to catch, like at it, would have been, all right, it was this right here. It was this move right here, the break of structure after this happens right here. And then that, and then I was like, what I'm saying, you would have to target these highs, because these would give you a really bad RR, then these highs. And then, yeah, I would have got stopped at break even either way. I mean, yeah, just not favorable stuff. You guys can see this. And yeah, yeah. But anyway, thank you guys for watching these. Look, I have daily recaps every single day for you guys. They're so informational. Watch them. And yeah, and then you're gonna start like you're gonna start start winning trades more often. You're gonna learn, for example, when to not trade. You're gonna understand how to keep these profits. Just free information. This is for you guys. And if you guys want, join the link in the description, the community. There I'll help you literally the most in depth way. And then yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.